Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Olubukola. You guys, I am starting to film a video today because this is not going to be a very long video. This is just me giving you guys a tips on how you can get rid of dark circle if you don't have an eye cream. I know that majority of them will tell you to get an eye cream for your dark circle, but let's now say you don't have an eye cream. You probably have some things at home that you use. So instead of trying to spend money on that thing, let me give you a tip. One is your vitamin C serum. Always make sure that you put vitamin C serum around your eye every morning. It makes the area look plump and bright. So I know majority of people, or majority of you guys watching me right now, use vitamin C serum. But if you have been following for a while and you don't use vitamin C serum, what are you waiting for? So vitamin C serum as well can work perfectly fine for your dark circle. So this is going to help you with your dark circle. Second one is retinol. I think when I made my recap on Monday, I talked more on retinol. I talk more on retinol and tell you guys what retinol does. So if you know you have dark circles, take care of the skin around your eye. Aging starts from there as well. You see that place squeezing, you see wrinkles all over that area, and that's one of the things that retinol does. So in the process of it helping you with your wrinkles, it is still going to help you brighten up that area. As I told you guys, I work for acne as well and acne scars, so you should definitely know that it's a very good product for dark circle. So let's say you don't want a particular product for your dark circle and you have retinol at home, so use retinol around your eye. So if you use vitamin C in the morning, you can always use retinol at night. I always advise people to use retinol at night because retinol is super sensitive. So make sure that you use retinol at night, then your vitamin C in the morning. Don't combine the two together because it might make your skin too sensitive. And when you use vitamin C as well around your eye, make sure you go in with sunscreen. So the third one is sunscreen as well. So make sure you apply decent amount of sunscreen in that area that you have dark circles. This is just like a tips to save you from extra cost of buying maybe an eye cream, because let me tell you guys, original good eye creams are very expensive. Aside from, I think CeraVe has a very good eye cream, but that is not that expensive. But other ones that maybe you don't want to work with CeraVe, you want to work with other brands, I'm telling you that good eye cream are expensive. So the majority of people just find their way around the products that they have at home that they use, so that it's going to help them with their dark circle. So I believe if you have vitamin C serum, you have retinol at home, you have sunscreen, then I believe these three things can go well with dark circle. And please do not wait till when you have dark circle before trying or starting to treat that area. Reason because aging starts from that area as well. That's why you see some people tell you that, oh, I have a wrinkled face. It starts from that area. So you can try as much as possible to start taking care of your eye area, and that is going to prevent the wrinkle and as well dark spots. So if you know you have all this, I believe you all have these three products. And if you don't have all these three products, if it is vitamin C you have, you can always use vitamin C in the morning and night, and make sure your sunscreen is there. Use your sunscreen and apply a decent amount around your eye area as well. And if you have the three, use your vitamin C serum in the morning, use your retinol at night, then your sunscreen as well every single day. So these things can help and save you cost of even trying to get a good or try to get an eye cream. And as well, even if you have an eye cream that you use and you run out of your eye cream, you can as well just go back to this and just use this product till you're able to get the new one. I think CeraVe is the only brand that I know that has a very cheap eye cream. Every other one are pretty very expensive. So that's why I decided to share this tip with you guys, that you don't need to buy an expensive eye cream to be able to take care of your eye area. And yeah, this is a very good tip that I believe is going to help so many people. So thank you guys so much for joining me on my channel today. This is the tip that I want to share with you guys. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly click on the subscribe button as well. Turn on your post notifications so that YouTube is going to be doing the job that I always tell them to do, which is to notify you every time I drop new videos. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next video. Bye.